Our next step here is to get our car printed out so we can have a pattern for our CO2 car. So we are going to be going to our scenes, and we have been in full car mostly. We can use a select tool and click out of the car. And if I go down to the bottom of all the scenes, I see Ortho Printing. So this is orthographic printing. So it's going to print out, instead of isometric in 3D view, we're going to have orthographic in 2D view. Now we have to get it so we can see everything. So we're going to go down on the toolbar side. We're going to go down to the very bottom one where it's the orbit command. And it's the very bottom of those commands, and it's zoom extents. So it puts our whole car on the screen. Then we can move up to the File menu, and we can go down to Print. When I come into Print, it shows it all cut off, but we're going to fix that shortly here. First thing we have to do is paper size. 11 inches isn't enough for this car, so we need to actually go to legal paper. So that made it 14 inches by 8.5 inches. Orientation should be landscape, and it says current view. We need to print this to what's called scale, so it's actual size. So I'm going to click there and go print to scale. It opens up a new little box. 1 millimeter in the drawing is 1 millimeter in the model. So you just have to put 1 in there and hit return, and it will fit in here. The other two things I want to do, you're not going to be able to see this, so you're going to have to scroll down a little bit. You're going to hit print scale, so it puts that on there for us, so we know it's the right scale. And white background, and this should say 1 millimeter equals 1 millimeter, and now we have a nice white background. And we're going to hit print to PDF. And it says SketchUp exports PDF files for use with your favorite PDF viewer. Larger paper sizes take longer to export. Don't show this warning again. We're fine with that, and hit continue. And it pops up. In our printing view. Whenever you go print out of here, whatever viewer we have, we want it to be actual size. Notice it's cutting it off because we need to set up the paper and landscape in here as well. So we'll set up paper size and landscape. And we will be done printing. For me, it's in advanced. Properties. And paper size is right there. Yours may look a little different. Okay? And that's how you print. And you are done with the project. Last thing we got to do is turn it in.